guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with This Guy. It's me. Hope you're all well. Today on the channel we are making black pudding mozzarella chicken. Just to say, lads, hands have been washed as well, just to let you all know. So we're going to go for a lovely bit of chicken breast here. Fantastic. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to actually butterfly it and then we're going to put in the black pudding and the mozzarella. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're just going to take the knife, let the knife do the work. I'm just going to go in, lift it up a little bit. Now, guys, what I'd say to you is make sure you have a sharp knife. If you don't have a sharp knife, you will do this. Okay, so we have our chicken breast filled. Now we just need to look at the filling. Really simple stuff, guys. So what we're using here for our black pudding, we have Clonakilty pudding. It's a beautiful black pudding that we have here in Ireland. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut a fair bit here. Let the knife do the work for you. Okay, so we have our black pudding, which is lovely. Again, lovely Clonakilty pudding. If you want to sponsor me, Clonakilty, fair play. Next step. Again, so this is like, there's four steps in it, guys. So we have our chicken breast filleted. So we have a pocket in it. We've cut out our black pudding. Next stage then is just our mozzarella. We go for three bits. So let's bring our chicken back in. We've got our big pocket. Afraid to squeeze it in. On top of it. Again, you don't be afraid to squeeze it in. Okay, so we see there now, guys. We see it's stuffed, right? So again, black pudding, mozzarella in it. So we have our panning station all set up here. So we have 1 egg yolk, guys, just whisked a bit, and we have some breadcrumbs that I just got in the shop. So now, secret is here is to put the chicken into the egg wash, and then into the breadcrumbs, and then into our tray. Okay. So we take our chicken, we get it nice and wet in the egg. Okay. And we put it into our breadcrumbs, push down, there we have it. So, after about 24 minutes, you have something that looks like this. Is it? Look at that oozy mozzarella all over the black pudding. It looks phenomenal. There we go. So I got a lovely little cross section there. I've got the bread, I've got the chicken, I've got the black pudding, and I've got the mozzarella. That, my friends, is something special. So easy as well. Look, it didn't take us long at all to get it like that. You have to try this. Okay, I'll leave it there, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please just smash that like button. I really, really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel and you've watched the first video, thank you so much. And please consider subscribing if you like the content. You know. Yeah. Until next time, guys. We'll see you.